come on Barbie, let's go party. Woo, woo. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well, good, healthy, happy. Okay, so I look a little bit weird, like let's just, let's not beat around the bush. I look a little bit weird. But with this video, so hang on, I'm like confusing myself already. I always say things in the wrong kind of order. Okay. Hi, hope you're well, and yeah, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, I really hope you enjoy this video, and by the end of it you want to join the ANNIEFAM. I mean, why would you not want to? So this video was actually inspired by some cute wee girl in my comments. She was like, under my Oh Polly costume video, she said, oh my gosh, I really love the Barbie one. I had this like two-piece on, this Oh Polly two-piece. I've just eaten lunch and whew, it's a little bit tight. But yeah, so I can barely breathe, but it's okay. As long as I'm shooting out the content, right? So yeah, and she really liked the Barbie costume. I had like this big ponytail in my hair, and yeah, I had like this two-piece on from my Polly, and I had like a cute little mini bag, and yeah, just kind of like, those cute little micro bags, and kind of turned into like a Barbie look. And she said you should so do a makeup look on Barbie, and I was thinking, that's a good idea. So, and it won't be like too much either, because my angel one I did last week, that was, quite a lot was going on. Sorry, I'm so freaking cold in here. I've got this massive cardigan on. Anyway, yeah, so where did I get to? Hang on. Oh yeah, the angel video. When I did that, yeah, quite a lot was going on, it took a while to do, and I thought let's just kind of like do more of a fun one today. So let's hope it doesn't go shit. If it does, well, shit. Someone is hammering in the other room. I just told my dad that I was filming, so thank you very much for making that noise. Yeah, so I'm taking this photo and I'm going to redo this, and it's kind of like the main, I don't know if you can see. Ooh! Do you know what? I'm gonna put it up here so it's easier. There we go. So I'm going to redo this makeup look. I think the only thing that would be quite difficult are like the eyelashes. Actually draw them on, and I'm scared it's gonna go wrong. But yeah, we're just gonna have fun, I mean, as you can see on my face, I have got the basics on, because I was like, well, I spent 10 minutes talking about my basics that you guys already know. It's been the same for a while now. My go-to kind of foundation, concealer, powder and all that. I don't think you really want to see that again, so I just kind of, I threw it on, foundation, concealer, powder, a little bit of bronzer, obviously done my eyebrows, because I mean, you know how I feel about my eyebrows, my natural eyebrows, haven't really got much. Kind of like my thing where I could go out with no makeup on, but I need to put eyebrows on, and Victoria Beckham's like that, little fun fact. So yeah, I've zoomed you in a little bit more so you are closer to me. I don't know what that was, but yeah, let's just get straight into it. I don't think, yeah, like I said, I don't think it'll be that hard, but ooh. If I haven't annoyed you so far with that weird intro, I'd love it if you hit the subscribe button. Of course, join the ANNIEFAM, guys. I absolutely love every single one of you. I literally adore you all so much, and we're growing so quick. I can't believe it. So yeah, I would love it if you did, and if you are not notified every time I post, please hit that notification button so yeah, you don't miss any of my uploads. And yeah, let's get into it. I'm going to quickly do a wee shout out actually to, got a few wee brands to mention. I know, your hand's working. I got sent a few things from Skinny Dip. If you follow me on Instagram, go and give me a follow. It's ANNIEMADGett, the same one here. And I was lucky enough to receive a parcel from them with a whole bunch of their goodies. Oh my goodness, let me show you my phone cover first, because it is so cute. So I've got this cute little, she's like a little angel. Oh, I like the aesthetic of it. And she's like me taking my 127th selfie. But it's very kind of simplistic. You guys know I'm really into that kind of aesthetic. So yeah, I just think it's such a cute little phone cover. And I've got other phone covers as well. I love my rabbits. And yeah, they've sent me a Thumper Disney one, as you can see, kind of. There we go. So it's like a cute little Thumper Disney phone cover, and it's pink as well, which makes it even better. And they've given me a really nice kind of aesthetic one as well that's got leaves on it. So yeah, do you know what? I find phone covers are literally so important to me, because when I take like selfies in like mirrors and things, that was my selfie hand. That looked so weird. But yeah, when I'm taking selfies in like a mirror for my Instagram, I'm like really into the kind of aesthetic of my Instagram and how the page layout is and things. It's really important for me to have a nice phone case, just because it kind of adds to the photo, like the colours and whatnot. Everything needs to complement each other, people. And I'm using this right now. They've sent me a thumper, the same print but in a makeup bag. It is so cute, and I love how it's kind of like a little bit see-through. I'm not sure if you can see like the things in there, but yeah, it's kind of like holographic, the kind of vibe, as you can see. It's just really, really cool, and I really love it. I've got a sequin one as well from them, and this freaking funky, fresh zebra coat that they sent me. They've got a whole bunch of coats on there, and oh my gosh, guys, I got the zebra print one. Again, like if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know what I'm talking about. But if you don't, I'll link it like down below so you can go and have a look on the Skinny Dip website, because they've got such lush coats and they're so different, and I just love that. So yeah, enough chitter chatter. Let's get straight into this Barbie look and improve the look of my face. Hopefully. Okay, so I'm like, where do I even begin? I'm going to start off with the cut crease, because there looks to be like a little bit of like a cut crease going on. I'm just going to have a look at the photo again. It's like kind of like a dark pink, like dark dusky pink cut crease. Yeah. So it's kind of like browny dark pink. So I'm going to do that first, a little cut crease, eyeliner, eyelashes. I feel like it's going to be quite simple, and hopefully this won't be a really long video because I don't want to annoy you. But yeah, I found a really good palette that I've got. It's actually the Kylie Jenner Valentine palette. It's got great kind of pinks and the kind of dusky pinks and the browns in there, which I think will be perfect for this cut crease that we are looking at for Barbie. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop the pink Problem shade into my crease and kind of darken up with Admira down in the corner there, and then yeah, we're going to do a cut crease there. So yeah, I'm just going to layer that shade into my cut crease. It's such a beautiful, soft, dusky pink. It's so pretty. Okay, so I'm like looking at that, and I don't think I need much more. Like again, it's quite a subtle eye look Barbie has. So I'm just going to make it, I guess, a little bit more pink. And yeah, I'll go into the other eye and I'll do the cut crease. So yeah, now that both my eyes are done, we're going to go in with this cut crease. You guys know cut creases, they're not my fave, you know, I'm just not the best at it. I'm going to attempt to do a cut crease. So wish me luck. Okay, oh, it's not actually too bad. I would probably rate that like a 6 or a 7, and usually guys I'm like at a 4, so this is a good day. I always get to the end of like one of these and then think, oh god, I've got another eye to do, oh god. Guys, I'm using Shape Tape, by the way. I didn't see what concealer I'm using, that's bad. And it's in shade Fair Neutral, so I'm using Shape Tape, yeah, Tarte Shape Tape. So there we go. The best concealer ever, I think, especially for cut creases, I think. It goes on really smooth. It's not dry at all. Guys, I am going to take that. I'm going to take this. I think that's actually okay. So now that the cut crease is over, yeah, let's pop on some eyeshadow to set it instead of powder. I'm going in with the Tarte's Pro, and I actually found a really perfect shade in here, which is this one right here. It's called Vintage, and it's one of the lightest ones in here. It needs to be quite light because the photo, it looks really quite light on her eyelids. So I'm going to go with this, but it's a little bit hinted with pink. So yeah, and these, like this formula in the Tarte's Pro palette, oh my god, it is so creamy and so thick, so I think it will set the concealer perfectly as well. So yes, let's go in with this. Oh my goodness guys, what a difference. Yeah, that was a good shout. Okay, so now that that's done, let's go into the eyeliner. Now, you guys know that whenever I do my eyeliner, I do like it when it starts halfway from my eye and then it goes out. It just looks much better, like with the shaping of my eye, makes my eye look a lot bigger. But as you can see in the photo, she has got eyeliner starting from the inner corner, so we are just gonna give it a roll. And so I'm going in with my all-time favourite tattoo liner from Kat Von D. I absolutely love this. It's so like precise. I've used a few other kind of liquid eyeliners, and yeah, they just haven't, but they've been like thicker and they just haven't given me that really nice sharp line. So yeah, I'm going in with this, and yeah, I'm just going to do a liner that goes all the way out, and Barbie has a cute little flick at the end, so we'll follow that. So I've just done one eyeliner and it doesn't actually look too bad, kind of it being all on my eyelids. I never go down to like the inner corner, but it doesn't look too bad because I think of the cut crease, it kind of balances it out. So yeah, again, I'm going to do the other eye and then we'll go on to the eyelashes. Okay, voila, there we go. Okay, I think this is going to be like the fun part and the most difficult part, doing the eyelashes. Okay, so she's got like kind of two kind of inner and then the rest of them go out. Okay, let's just, you know, I'm a little bit nervous that I'm going to like mess up the look, but let's just be positive. Why is my torch on? How long has that been on for? Oh my goodness. It's like, it doesn't look difficult, but it so is. Oh my goodness. I feel like it kind of looks like I'm doing a spider makeup tutorial or something, like I don't know, but I feel like they aren't great. I've got another eye to do. Okay, I just did the other eye. Now let's, you know, I think it might look, it'll get better. I feel like it's going to get better because when I put the wig on, when I put my blue contacts in, I'm going to now do the lashes underneath. I feel like it will get better, okay guys? Bear with, bear with. Okay, let's look at the next part, which I think will be the eyelashes below, so her lower eyelashes, and they are in like a lighter brown. I haven't really got a colour like that in kind of like liquid form, I think, so I'm just going to really try and win this. I've got that colour but in a lip liner. Can I do that, makeup world? Can I do that? I probably can. So let's go in with this. This is the Kiko, what's it called? The Everlasting Colour Lip Liner, and it's in 402, and I feel like that's a similar colour. Yeah, I'd say it's a very similar colour, and yeah, it's working on my lower lash line. It's actually working, not as bad as I thought it was going to go, because it's quite subtle, the lashes underneath. Okay guys, so the more I'm looking at it, I'm like, it's actually not bad. Like I said, I think once I add everything else, finish the look, it will look better. So we're going to add some mascara and we're going to do my lips next. Her lipstick is very, very pink and I have the exact shade, like literally like so close to the one that she's got on. So I'm going to do the lip liner first, then it's going to be the Everlasting Colour Kiko, another lip liner from them. Like I literally love their lip liners so much, like it's so cheap. And shade 405. It really is the perfect pink to outline the pink that we're going to do. Okay, so now that my lips have been lined, it's now time to add some liquid. This is a matte liquid lip from Revolution and it's in the shade Grande. It's like Grande but like double E. Okay, so now that I've got some very pink lips, very pink overlined lips, let's finish off the eyes, and so I don't look like really crazy. I'm now going in with one of my all-time favourite mascaras by Glossier. It is the Lash Slick, and this is just so, oh my god, I love it so much. So yeah, I'm going to put a few coats, I'll put a few coats of this on, and yeah, we'll then go into the falsies. Okay, honey bunnies. Ooh. I don't know what that was. I literally make such weird noises, especially if I'm at home and like alone and I know no one's judging me. Anyway, I'm gonna go and pop my falsies on. You guys know it's near impossible for me to do it on camera, so I'm gonna go downstairs, use two hands to pop them on, and I'll be back, and then I will put in, you know what? In fact, while I'm doing that, I'm going to put my contacts in as well because I need to be in the bathroom so my hand's like clean, and in case I spill it anywhere, I'm going to go put, yeah, my falsies on and my contacts in, and hopefully I will come back a different woman. Ta-da! Guys, I went all ham. Wait, is that a phrase? In other words, I did my falsies, my contacts, and I put the wig on. And guys, I'm not kidding. I saw how nervous and negative I was about the eyes. I'm not kidding. As soon as I put these contacts in, it's totally brought this look together. And now I actually look like, I kind of like Barbie. Do I look like Barbie? I look like a doll, which I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna take that. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with this Revolution SFX Ultimate Face Paint palette, and I actually got this off ASOS. I mean, it's such a good buy. Honestly, it's got all the colours you need in there to create any kind of look, and it's already kind of, sorry, it's a hair in there, gross. It's already kind of cream based. There's no faffing about with water, getting messy. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop a little bit of white on the lips just to look like they're all like glossy. In fact, I might do this and then put gloss on. I'm then just going to dab it in with my finger like that. I'm going in with my all-time favourite gloss. It is the Glossier Gloss. Cannot get any glossier than the Glossier Gloss. There we go. Ooh. I love this gloss. It feels so thick, but it's not sticky at all. Also, while I was downstairs, I added a darker lip. I felt like they just weren't coming out as much as I wanted them to, so I went over with the Kylie Jenner You Are a Gem lip liner. You Are a Gem? Yeah, lip liner. And that was the perfect dark pink that I needed just to kind of like, you know, define the lips a little bit more. And now I want to go in with some blusher. Going in with the Kylie Jenner blush powder, and it is in shade Crush. I just absolutely love this blush so much. I think the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some highlights just to kind of like define the collarbone, my cheeks and everything. Oh my god, this is literally, I dropped this and it's spilt everywhere, but it's my favourite highlighter, the Jouer one, and it's powder highlighter in rose gold, but I've dropped it and it's going everywhere, like as you can see, like oh my god, that's so sad. Okay, I'm going to go in and use some of this. I'm going to put some on my nose. Going to put some on my nose just to give it a shine, 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 shine. I'm so weird. Why am I so weird? Okay guys, I'm not kidding. I think we're done. So I'm going to say bye and I'll catch you guys in my next video. I love you all so much. Remember to tell me what you think of this look, and of course a happy Halloween to every single one of you, and I hope you had a great weekend. If you went out a few days ago, let me know you went as, you know, if you had a great night, and if you've got any other plans for Halloween leading up to Thursday. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, join the Annie fam. We all love each other here and I just absolutely adore the hell out of every single one of you guys. You are just my rock and I love you all so much. You're like my family. Hey fam! Of course, if you don't follow me on Instagram, please go give me a follow. It's ANNIEMADGett. And of course that notification bell, don't forget that so you don't miss any of my uploads. If you want to go and see how I created my angel look for Halloween, the link down below will be for that. So that's my other Halloween makeup look I did. But yeah, it feels so nice to be back in front of this pink background. I mean, more pink the better. And yeah, so like I said, really hope you enjoyed. I'll catch you in my next video. I love you lots. Hope you have a great week. Just as great as you are. And I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!